Assalamu alaikum. Start with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficial. My name is Tabassum Zamir, class BA 2.5 morning, subject CTRP, roll number 2K20 BED SC 84. I am starting now. My topic is critical thinking standards. First is clarity, second is precision, third is accuracy, fourth relevancy, fifth consistency, sixth fairness, seventh completeness, eighth logical correctness. First is clarity. Clarity means when we discuss or argue about topic or issue. Clarity, this is the most important basic standards. It is gateway to other standards. If a statement is not clear, we can't reason effectively. The question, what can be done about the crisis in the family, is unclear, useful, clarifying. Question, include, claim, you give me an example. Second is precision. Precision, we should be specific, not vague. Precision statement can be clear and accurate, but not precise. Critical thinkers are also understand the importance of precise thinking in daily life. They understand that to cut through the confusions and uncertainties that surround many everyday problems and issues, it is often necessary to insist on precise answer to precise questions. Third is accuracy. Accuracy means 100% sure about what are say and what we done. Accuracy. Accuracy, a statement that can be clear but not accurate. Travis is genius. Advertisers and politicians frequently make statements that are clear but not accurate. Relevancy. Relevancy means to the point without misguide or misappropriate. Relevance can be clear, accurate, precise, and relevant. But I once explained to my boss just how hard I was working on a particular project. Her response was so that it clear wasn't relevant. Then next is consistency, long-term result, connectedness, continuity. It is easy to see why consistency is essential to critical thinking. Logic tells us that if the person holds inconsistent beliefs, at least one of those beliefs must be false. Critical thinkers prize trust and so